Hey guys, welcome back. So I actually already have my foundation and concealer and powder done because my husband and I are going on a date, so I just figured I might as well film this and show you guys my date night outfit and my date night makeup. So if you guys would like to see what my date night kind of quick makeup routine is, just keep watching. Foundation, I used the CYO foundation that I just recently reviewed. I'll link that video in the corner. I used my regular ColourPop No Filter concealer and set that with my Maybelline Fit Me powder. So I've already curled my eyelashes as well, so that's just kind of like my base. I'm actually going to do a little bit of cream contour. I've been doing that lately and I just really like the way it looks on my skin. I've been using my LA Girl Pro Contour little kit, and this is in the shade Light. And I just pick up some of this contour powder and just kind of go on my cheekbones. This is a really pigmented cream and it's a little too warm for me, but if I lightly use it, I can make it work. It's a little bit, and then I just blend that out with my sponge. I just really like the way that it warms up your face. And then to set that, I've been using my favorite bronzer at the moment, which is the Makeup Revolution Vivid Baked Bronzer in the shade Golden Days. This is a really pretty kind of neutral tone bronzer, so I've really been loving this. And I'll literally just bronze up my whole face. I'll just take a generous amount of this and really warm up my skin. Since it is summertime, I like really bronzy, glowy skin. So my go-to makeup look has been going super light on the eyes and then going really heavy on the face makeup and then doing a neutral lip or a bright lip. So it just depends on what I'm wearing. Skin's been breaking out really bad lately, so I don't know what's causing that. I think it's just stress because been a lot of stuff going on that I don't really want to get into, but when I'm stressed, my skin shows it. And if I ever feel like I get a little too much bronzer on, I just kind of pick up some translucent powder and go over those areas. And it actually just really helps make everything look natural, more natural, and not as harsh. So that already looks a lot better. So I'm going to go ahead and move on to blush, and I'm going to use my Tarte Blush Bliss palette as usual, going with this. And I just kind of mix together these two lightly. And tap off the excess and just bring some color and warmth back into my cheeks. Then I go ahead and highlight my face, and I like to use the highlighters out of the Carly Bybel palettes because they're so pigmented and they really give me that super highlighted glowy effect that I want. So I just mix a little bit of this white one with this gold one and then a touch of the pink, and I just highlight my cheeks. I like to bring my highlighter down pretty far. I don't know, it's just what I like to do. Hit the cupid's bow and a little bit on the chin. Okay, so for the eyes, we're gonna keep it really light, natural, and fresh, and I'm gonna go back into that Carly Bybel palette and pick up a little bit of this color and this color. They're very powdery shadows, but they're very pigmented. And I'm gonna use these to lightly define my crease. Okay, so then I'm going to take this end of a brush and pick up just a little bit of this purple shade, and I'm going to deepen up the outer corner just slightly. Okay, so once I have that done, I'm going to go in with my finger and I'm going to pick up this gold shade right here and put that all over my lid. So that's pretty much all I do. I like to keep it kind of simple. I'm going to go in with some eyeliner, just a normal little line just to define them a little bit more. I'm just gonna go ahead and pop on a little bit of mascara. Okay, so I used the mascara, highlighted my brow bone, and then all we have left is lips and we're done. So I've been using just a tiny bit of this Clinique lipstick called Punch Pop. It's so pigmented. I'll just put a little bit on. Then I'll go in with a little bit of my Maybelline Vivid Hot Lacquer and Tease and put this all over. Alright, so that is the completed makeup look. Super easy, super fast. I know my hair looks atrocious. That's next on the list I have to go fix. So now that makeup is done, let's go ahead and move on to the date night outfit and fix this hair a little bit. Okay, so for tonight I just chose a romper. It's quick and easy. You don't have to pick out more than one piece, and I just really like the way they look. And they're just cute and fun to wear out. So I got this one from Target. It was actually on clearance and I got it for $4 or $5. So, and then I just paired it with this necklace. It's longer, but it looks better when you don't show that part. So I just leave that tucked in, just poofed up my hair a little bit more, and we're ready to go. Look at those shorts. Work, work, work. Model status. Kiki, do you love me? Do you not want us to go anywhere? Hey, Hickory. Hey, buddy. Am I recording you? Am I recording you?
You ready?
Finally on a date night. We haven't been on a date in forever. It's been a long time. We're gonna go to Texas Roadhouse, get some yummy food, and then maybe do something after. I don't know, there's not much to do in this area other than like a movie, and there's no movies I want to see, so I don't know. We'll see what we end up doing. Finished dinner, and now we're at my favorite place in the world, which is
Target.
Target. There's nothing else to do, and there's no movies we want to see. Oh my gosh, look at those dogs. They're so cute. Target run was a success. I found my shoes that I've been looking for. I had to go to 2 different Targets, but found them and got them tax-free because it's tax-free weekend. So now we're heading to Walmart. Woohoo! Super fun date night stuff. But it's fun because we can just get to run errands together. So yeah, Walmart next.
Do you see these? They're not shoes, boys. You don't know what you're
Those are Mom's bath bombs. Okay, so I got 2 bath bombs I want to try out, one of them tonight. OMG, a unicorn. It's strawberry and jasmine, and the other one is look, I feel like jumping up the things. No, that's not a toy. And the other one is Daydreamer, which is honey and pear. So I don't know. I haven't used a bath bomb in a long time, so we picked these up at Walmart actually. So I've never tried them. Hello. So I'm gonna give one of these a try. Okay guys, so that is the end of this little date night vlog. I hope you enjoyed. If you did enjoy, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up down below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you guys enjoyed watching this vlog, thank you so much for being here, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.
Bye.